I've heard that 3 out of 4 fathers recommend visiting Fort Lawrence. So.
Well, 5 out of 4 of them have been here.
Right. It's important to remember today that at some point, at some time in history, someone has done what we did. I often like to think about the pioneers and when they rode their bikes all the way to Oregon.
Yeah, that's the Oregon Trail.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
George Washington crossed the Delaware on a bike.
Yeah,
that's one of my favorite stories of history.
Also, the tree chopping thing, everybody talks about chopping the cherry tree down.
Right.
So that was actually Abraham Lincoln dared him to jump the tree on his bike. Right through the tree. His mom was so mad.
That's actually, I've heard that's why he had wooden teeth, is because when he wrecked his bike that day, all of them gone. Yeah. Paul Revere's Midnight Ride.
Yeah.
On a bike.
Also on a bike.
On a bike. 1th by land, 2th by bike. It's a common, people commonly misquote and say by sea, but it's by bike.
Yeah, seat.
Seat.
Bike seat.
Right. Yeah. Right. Oh, the Wright brothers?
The Wright brothers.
They flew a bike before they flew their first plane.
You would
Da Vinci he plotted all that for them.
Yeah.
You've seen the drawings, I'm sure.
A lot of people think that Ben Franklin came up with the bike, but it was actually Betsy Ross.
Right.
Yeah, she finished the flag and then was like, I can build a bike. Yeah.
Ben Franklin, he attached the kite though to a bike. And it was that day that he discovered Thomas Edison. Wow, this was a stupid bit.